Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? This Sunday, July 11th at 4 p.m. Pacific Time, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, we are going to be live on Facebook, live on YouTube, and live on our website, thestampsoflife.com, to share with you my releases that I will be having on HSN on Tuesday. So on Sunday, July 11th, we are going to give you a heads up. We're going to show you all the wonderful products. I'm going to demo each one. I'm going to show you awesome samples, and we'll get to spend some time together. Now, the best part about it is you can join us live with the chat, and you can text us, email, you can chat with your questions, you can send those in, and we'll probably even have a couple raffles. So make sure you join us Sunday, July 11th at 4 p.m. Pacific Time, 7 p.m. Eastern, and you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.